Hi friends, welcome back to i-TUTOR NCERT series. Today we are going to discuss Class 9 Geography NCERT, Chapter 1 India, Size and Location. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying a remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. Now, let's discuss about the location of India. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. So, India is lying in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Okay, so this is the latitude and longitudinal division of India. Latitude is 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north and longitude is 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Now, the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree and 23 degree 30 minute north. Okay, 23 and a half degree north. That is Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Okay, so to the southeast and the southwest of the mainland, look at this picture. This yellow color is India and this is the southeast direction. Okay, this is southeast and this is southwest direction. So to the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So southeast is Andaman and Nicobar. So here is Andaman and Nicobar Island and southwest is Lakshadweep Island. Okay, so southwest is Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Island is in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep is in the Arabian Sea. Okay, so that is about the India's location. Now, size. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. So the landmass is 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. So the India's total area accounts, that is 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the 7th largest country of the world. So India is the 7th largest country. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar Islands then Lakshadweep, that is 7,516.6 km. Okay, so the land boundary is 15,200 kilometers and the main coastline is 7,516.6 km. India is bounded by the Yangfold Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. South of about 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, that is the Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal on the east. Okay, so that's about the size. Now, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Okay, so from Gujarat, that is the west. Okay, Gujarat is in the west and Arunachal Pradesh, the east. Okay. So from west to east, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India, that is 82 degree and 30 minute east, passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. So the standard time for India is taken as the standard time for India. Okay, is taken as 82 and 30 minutes east, passing through Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so this is considered as the standard time of India. Now, The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. Okay, so the latitudinal extents influence the duration of the day and night as one moves from south to north. Now look at this. Indian Union Indira Point got submerged under the sea water in 2004 during the tsunami. Okay, so the Indira Point, this was the southernmost point in India, and this got submerged under the sea water in 2004 tsunami. Okay. Now, so we already discussed the location and the size of India. Location means it's mainly located in the northern hemisphere, and the latitudes between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and the longitude 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Then Tropic of Cancer divides, that is 23 degree and 30 minute, 23 and a half degree north. That divides the country into two equal parts. Then the southeast part is, wait, okay, look at this. Southeast is this area. So here the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Then southwest is Lakshadweep Islands, and this is in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep is in the Arabian Sea. Okay, so that's about the location. Now about the size, it's 3.28 million square kilometer. Then total area accounts 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. Then it's the 7th largest country, and it's a land boundary. India's land boundary is 15,200 kilometer. Then its coastline is 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay. Now, India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. Okay, so India is the southward extension of the Asian continent. So we are in the continent. Which continent? We are in Asia. The trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect countries of Europe in the west and the countries of the East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast, and with the Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on Indian Ocean as India has it. Indeed, it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of the ocean after it. So that's why the name of Indian Ocean, because India has that much connection to the Indian Ocean. India's contacts with the world have continued through the ages, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passage to the ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted such interaction for a long time. Now, since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Okay, so when the Suez Canal opened, the distance from India to the Europe has been reduced to 7,000 kilometers. Okay. Now, these routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The ideas of the Upanishads and Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architecture style of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of the country. So this is the connection of India with the world, that is other countries. Now, India's neighbors. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states. Okay, in the old NCERT it gives us 29, but actually now 28 states. Okay. Okay, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. So 8. Okay, here they provide 7, but it's 8 union territories. Okay, so India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia, and it has 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. Now, China, that is Tibet, then Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Okay, so India share its land with 7 countries. First one, look at this picture: Pakistan, then Afghanistan. Here is Afghanistan, then Nepal, China, then here Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's bordered its land or shared the land with 7 countries. Now, our southern neighbors across the sea consist of the 2 island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, so here is Sri Lanka and here is Maldives. Okay. Now, Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Okay, so Sri Lanka is separated from India by Pak Strait. Sri Lanka and India by Pak Strait. Now, while the Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Islands, so this is Lakshadweep. Okay, these groups of islands are called Lakshadweep, and the Maldives are situated at the south of Lakshadweep. Okay, so here is the Maldives Islands, and India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbor. Okay, so that's about the India and its neighbors. So India shares its land boundaries with 7 countries, that is Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. And it gives us most of the boundary with Bangladesh. Okay, and next one is in southern area, it has 2 island countries. First one is Sri Lanka and then Maldives. Sri Lanka and India are separated by Pak Strait. Okay, then here we can locate the Lakshadweep Island. South of the Lakshadweep Island, the Maldives Islands are located. Okay, so that's about the neighbors and India and its neighbors. So this chapter is completed. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. For more videos, do like, share, subscribe.